Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Captain Katarn, and this is a tutorial about manually loading and creating mod packs in Stellaris, such as the Star Wars Total Conversion pack my channel uses for Stellaris 2.1. If you're interested in that, we have it available to subscribers via the Discord channel, link in the description. You might be wondering why something like this is important with the Steam Workshop being so easy to use. In reality, there are mods on other locations, such as the Paradox forums, ModDB, as well as compatibility reasons why you'd want to know how to do these things. As a content creator, this is essential to keep your playthroughs running without issue, regardless of what happens with the updates for your viewers' sanity. As an example, for those of us that play with mods, how often has this scenario happened to you? You're in the middle of an epic playthrough when suddenly a new patch drops that breaks mod compatibility. Best case scenario, you're waiting a few days for everything to be updated. The more mods you play with, however, the more likely that one of the mod creators abandons it and your playthrough is unable to be finished. Worse, if Paradox makes major updates, you won't be able to continue your saved game no matter what, because even though you can revert the game to an earlier patch if the mod was updated on the workshop, it's no longer backwards compatible and you can't use it. If you don't care about that and you don't care that your mods could be broken and just want to learn how to install Modpack, then skip to the timestamp in the first comment. Let's start with creating your very own mod pack. I want to give you a disclaimer here that you should not upload your completed mod packs back to Steam. That's not cool. The original mod creators deserve to be the ones that upload their work for mass distribution. First, let's create an empty mod via the Stellaris launcher. Click on the mod tools, then create mod. We'll need to add in the name of the mod. This is what shows in the launcher that tells you what the name of the mod is. A lot of people use exclamation points or special characters here to get it to appear at the top of the list so that it's easier to find. Next, this is the folder, which is the folder that will be created in the mod directory. Windows folder rules apply here, so you cannot use special characters. So if we called the first one my mod, we want to just call this folder my mod without the exclamation point so that it works. And finally, the last part here is the version number. You don't need to update this. This is just how the game checks whether or not it's compatible. So if this version number is different than the current version, it'll put that little exclamation point there. Finally, we do have to add a tag because it will not allow you to save anything without it. So I just changed mine to total conversion. Click create and you're good to go. Now the mod we created is available in the mods folder, and I have the folder showing up on the screen now. And you can see that all of the Steam mods will have the UGC prefix and a number. That's how the game knows to display it in the launcher, but Steam actually keeps the meat and potatoes of the mod in a different location, so we'll get to that. But from here you can see that we have our new mod pack that we've made, my mod. There is a .mod file and a folder. Open the folder and keep it open so that the next part will be easier to click and drag. To find the mod files that Steam uses, we'll need to go open your Steam installation, and this is the path for Stellaris. Steam Apps Workshop Content 281990. Open this in a new Explorer window so you can drag and drop later. Inside of that, we have a number of folders with seemingly random numbers. Each of these numbers is unique to the mod you downloaded on Steam. It's very helpful to go onto the Steam Workshop and take the mods you use and make them a collection. This will allow easy use of all the mod numbers that we will need to find in the downloaded files. Here you can see that I have an older collection that I used for my Galactic Empire cinematic playthrough. I'll just use it as an example. This mod pack's out of date though, so you can't really copy it, unfortunately. What you want to do here is get the mod number from the URL. Click into the first mod. In the URL at the top, there is an ID number. Double click that number and copy it. Then paste it into the search function on that Stellaris mod listing. After you do this, you'll find the zip part, and you'll want to open up that zip part and copy and drag it into your new My Mod folder. If it asks you if you want to override anything, say yes. Once you've done this, you've created an offline version of that mod. No matter what happens to your game or to the Steam Workshop, now you have a copy of that mod that you confirmed worked with your current version. Rinse and repeat to find all of your current mods and add them to this folder. Keep in mind that any mod compatibility patches should be added last, as some mods alter the same files. This ensures that you're getting the correct version on there. Now that you understand the structure of how this works, to install an existing offline mod pack, we simply need to extract the mod pack into the Documents, Paradox Interactive, Stellaris mod folder. Specifically, we need the folder and the .mod file. We also have to ensure that the folder doesn't have another subfolder inside of it, just the actual mod files. It's easier to show you what I mean. There you have it. It's not difficult, and I hope this helps you. If you like the tutorial, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends, get subscribed to our channel. My name is Captain Katarn, I run Intrepid Dawn, and I appreciate your time. See you in the verse.